Hello and welcome once again to Gabbett Media. I'm Grant Abbott and today is a big thank you. Thank you to one particular YouTube person, viewer, audience member. I'm not sure how you'd like to be addressed. I'll just call you a YouTuber. And it's Transmitthis. In fact, I want to say a general thanks to the community because I feel like I've got lots of friends now who I chat to online, and it's nice chatting to people on the Discord server. But this one particular person called Transmitthis, they don't want me to tell you their real name, but they took pity on me in one of my videos, which I talked about the fact that I'm using a GTX 980. Now, to many people, that's a good graphics card, so I do apologise if I sound not grateful for having a 980 graphics card, but it's kind of old these days and I should be upgrading because I use Blender every day or some sort of 3D art every day, so I really ought to be upgrading. Part of me doesn't want to because I feel like the community out there, I know there's probably a lot of people who are, well, in fact I know there's lots of audience members who are sort of breaking into the industry, or we haven't got the money to spend on Maya and Max and all these other programs, so we're using Blender for that very reason. So having top-notch kit to sort of talk about tutorials and things, I don't know, I feel bad for the community. Having said that, it's always nice if you do have some cool kit. So the wonderful thing behind Transmitthis, he said, I've got a graphics card lying around that I can send to you. And you know what I'm like? Free stuff is amazing. So I said, yes please. And here it is. He's the most amazing boxer? Rapper? Boxers and rappers has different connotations, isn't it? He's the most amazing packaging person I've ever seen. So I have opened it, and it's this big polystyrene box, so good way of transporting things in itself. And inside here, if I can open it up, I have this beautifully packaged box of goodies, really, with a little note. So this is very exciting. As you can tell, I'm very excited about this. Let me just see if am I recording? Yes, I am. Please say I'm recording. Anyway, so greetings, Grant. Random power cables you won't need. So this is contents. Random power cables you won't need. Practically unusable pin-inducing Logitech device. Best give it to the unsuspecting or use it in a defenestration party. This guy's obviously pretty smart. Colourful containers. Cheap, purchase from 5 years ago. Still have no idea what I was thinking. Your problem now. So he's just packaged it with lots of fun stuff. Toy coins to play with. Maybe increase their simulacrums. I don't know. Simulacrums awareness. This guy's way beyond me with his words. So my apologies if I don't understand what you're saying. Transmitthis. Play with them too much and the cheap coating comes off, and you have silver ones, probably toxic too, but oh so shiny. GPU for blendering or witchering. So this is a 1070, a GTX 1070. So this is very exciting for me. I'm now into the, well, I don't know, 10th gen that you call it, I don't know, but the good stuff when it comes to the GTX cards. So I'm very excited by that. Device to install, GPU in a different orientation in the case, or out of case, extend a PCI slot, blah blah blah, borrow, just bin it, is what he said at the end there, and lots of fans, because it makes you cool. There was a joke in there somewhere. All the best, Transmitthis. So it's beautiful. Look at, and it's packaged so beautifully, and look, when I take this off, I don't know, this is probably a boring video for most people, but I'm very excited by this. Look how well packaged this is. Look at that. Hopefully you can see it. I'll just see it. Look at that. I mean, I can hold up fairly upright there, and it still doesn't fall out. That's how jam-packed this is. I'm actually, an unboxing video from me is a bit rare, really. I'm not the unboxing type, but there's all sorts of funny things in here. This is great. This is a big thank you video. But also thank you to the community. This is sort of the wonder of our community. I feel like that I'm always amazed actually when I go on Discord and there's just loads of people offering advice for free. I suppose I'm one of those people that offers advice for free, but I suppose I'm building up. It's becoming an income for me, so I can't really call myself a free teacher anymore, because it is there's an income behind what I do. So I'm not as altruistic as these people who just go online and post comments telling people how to do stuff, and they might even because they might be really simple comments. And I remember joining forums for when I first started using Maya, in fact, and I would go on forums, and there was comments from people who would say, read the effing manual, because there was beginners out there asking how to do things. And there was lots of this read the effing manual comments coming out, and you think that's pretty harsh, and we never have that in our community, which is just brilliant. So again, a big thank you to all the community. And I just want to get out the graphics card so you can see that. What's this? This is interesting. I've got to really see what all this stuff is, but I don't want to bore you with these things. But here it is, the GTX 1070. I can't get it out. It's packaged too well. Oh, that would be a bit of a shame if I couldn't get it out. That sounds weird. There's no innuendos. I know some people out there are gonna think that's an innuendo of some description. Oh, I'm breaking everything. That was a dirty bowl down there. I've been really bad today and just put my bowl down there and it made a big rattling noise. Usually I just tidy up this area and the rest is really bad. Anyway, I'm obviously a bit delirious today. A little bit tired as well, so you're getting the brunt of it. There it is. There it is. Free stuff. And not from a company, from a friend, if I can call you that, Transmitthis. A community member, I should call him, because isn't that wonderful? That's just fantastic. So not only a big thank you to Transmitthis, but a big thank you to the community as a whole. That's just wonderful. I'm sorry I haven't put the winners of the competition up yet. So I'm recording this the same day that I did the competition. I'm not sure when I'm going to release it, because I'm sort of I'm kind of stalling because I'm waiting for my lion footage to come through so I can put the lion into the scene. So I'm sort of waiting for that, doing a few tutorials, doing a few videos, and unpackaging things. Yes! So very excited. And the next competition, people are asking, what is the next competition topic going to be? And P Mark, I think you suggested, well, one of your suggestions was historic, and I think that's quite a good suggestion. I like quite vague terms that you could almost do anything with. Maybe that's not that vague, but historic. So we're going to go historic, I think. And Frank, I'm not going to do the what's he asking me to do? He wants me to do, where's general chat? A Gordon Ramsay style review. I don't think I can do that. Although lots of people say I sound like Gordon Ramsay and even look like Gordon Ramsay, which I really don't think I do. I don't think I could pull it off in the same way that he can. It might be funny, yes, but it's beyond me, I'm afraid. Sorry about that. Bob Ross is probably more likely, as people keep calling me the Bob Ross, but at least Bob Ross can get his words out. The Bob Ross of Blender, apparently that's what I am. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you managed to get this far, I'm always amazed that, and people do comment saying I watched till the end, and I'm always amazed that people listen to me. It's a lovely thing. So I do count myself as very lucky that I've got such a community, and it feels like friends. It does feel like friends. Maybe that's because I have no friends, so I'm clinging to straws here. Hoping that you're all my friends. I'm sounding really sad now. No, there's big things in the future of Gabbit Media, so I'm not breaking down at all. I've got lots of friends, really. Anyway, I'll see you next time, possibly, if you can put up with me. Thanks for watching.